welcome to this beautiful episode where art collides with culture. Stay with me and see all kinds of arts. Hello, hi to this beautiful, amazing booth I've seen, and actually I'm so inspired with your different kind of arts, or you can say laser, you said, or?
Well, first of all, this is the 3D printing,
oh, 3D
FDM
printing.
printers.
Okay.
Yeah. And I've got also laser engraving.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So
tell me, like, what's the difference between the laser printing and
the printer itself?
Yeah.
Well, for starters, the 3D printer, or as I call it, FDM printer, they call it. It starts by moving a small rope of 1 millimeter of plastic, and then printing it on high heats, like building a wall. So, and at the end, you get this magnificent piece.
Even the colors, then you color it, right?
Well, there's two processes. Either we take the filament itself and it's already colored, either one color, as we see in any piece like this. This is only olive green.
Okay.
Or we have filament that is like every half meter is a different color. So we have yellow to orange to purple to brown at the end. Or to add more detail and to color it as we want or the customer wants, we first add a primer. Then we add the colors, accurate colors. So this is a test we did. We made our friend, we call him Sana'a, and we made him wear the Kuwaiti traditional
clothes.
dress. Yeah.
Amazing. Very nice.
Yeah.
And what about this? What kind of art do you see?
Well, this mask, or they call it an uni mask for like the Japanese demons or such.
Yeah, yeah.
We don't believe in that, but as they call it. This is a different kind of 3D printing. This is a resin printer.
Resin?
Yeah. For this one, we used filament as plastic rolls.
Okay.
But this one we use liquid resin.
Okay.
And the printer works by shining in UV light, and the resin hardens. So this was liquid.
So first it's liquid. This is very amazing. What about the details?
Well, details, as I said, resin printers is different than FDM.
Okay.
Resin printers can go all the way to 18K resolution.
Wow.
That's that's a lot.
Yeah, that's
you don't get that much on a TV. So you can literally make a piece this big.
Okay.
And have the details of an 4K or 8K TV as Sony or LG or any TV.
I'm looking at these little tiny stuff.
Yeah.
So you do these too, right?
Yeah. Those are our little friends.
I guess that's goodbye then.
Yeah.
Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Look at this. Look at this. It's easy to say goodbye and shake.
Yeah.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
And that's the end of our episode, and I hope I really target this well. Okay, that was very bad. Very bad. See you next episode.